Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you've got a cat that needs to slow down when they're eating, you are going to love this slow feeder.
This raised slow feeder from GUWINA is so cute, but it is also the perfect thing to help your cat with healthier digestion, better posture, and a less mess during mealtime. Instead of eating too fast, this slow feeding design will help them eat at a calmer pace. I absolutely love the stand for this, that it is so cute. It looks like little kitties and it helps hold this bowl nice and securely. And the design of the bowl is just absolutely cute with these little fish, and it just makes the perfect slow feeder. My friend Charlie here is a bit of a fast eater, and you can really tell the difference that it helps him to slow down, and it is whisker friendly and works perfectly for both wet and dry food. Per reviewed, and it gets 5 stars.
So, whether your furry friend has tummy troubles or just eats way too fast, you need to get this beautiful slow feeder for them. They're going to love it, and so will you. And that's my point of view.